happy to have you guys here with me today for another video. So, how you doing? What you guys been up to? I want to know what you guys have been up to. Also, I would also love to know, what are your plans for the Christmas or the New Year's? Are you spending with friends or family? You know, I just want to connect with you guys to know how you guys have been doing. You know, we're checking in. Yeah, we're checking in. All right, so today, of course you read my title. So today we're going to talk about this wig. Yes, today we are going to be talking about this unit. I'm going to give you all the details before I jump into a very quick install, and then, you know, tell you guys my thoughts at the end as per usual. So let's go. Hey, let's go. So this unit was sent to me by CAITLYN. I don't know, it depends where you're from. So it was sent to me by CAITLYN Hair, which is a human hair company on Amazon. Yes, darling. So this is their, let me tell you, hold on, don't want to make any mistakes, you know. So this is the CAITLYN 99J Deep Wave 4x4 Swiss lace closure. So this is a closure wig. It is not a frontal. Yes, I know it's serving, but it's not. Okay, it is actually a front. A front. It's not a frontal. What am I saying, guys? It's not a frontal, it's a closure wig. All right, so this is a closure wig. I'm actually surprised at the color, and I really love the color because typically I stick to black, which is kind of boring sometimes. So this is in the color burgundy, if you guessed it. Yes, it is pre-plucked. This is 20 inches long. The density is 180% density, and it retails for $159 USD. If you are interested, my lovelies, in purchasing this unit, I will leave a link to their Amazon store to purchase this in my description bar below. So without any further ado, let's jump into this tutorial.
Hey yeah, so let's jump into this quick tutorial. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. I think I showed it in the beginning, so I won't spend too much time here, but I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out of the package. So it comes with a little thank you card. I got some wig caps. I think this is two came in the pack. This is what the wig looks like. It is a Swiss lace closure. It came with 4 combs, and I like the hairline. I think it looks good, but we won't really know what the hairline is going to be looking like until we actually install this baby. All right, so get your foundation shade and start to add your foundation to your lace. If you want to bleach the knots, you can. I personally prefer to do this versus bleaching the knots. So, you know, just do what you are most comfortable with doing. All right, so I'm not doing the ball cap method today because it's just a closure and I don't plan to have it on for a very long time. So I'm just using some alcohol to clean the makeup, well, remove the makeup from my skin, and then I'm gonna go on and pop this bad boy on. I'm gonna size it up just to see the placements where I want it, and then I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Almighty bonding glue to secure the closure to my head. Now I do have a review on the glue. If you are interested in seeing that, I will leave it in the eye above. And let's go ahead and press that lace onto our glue to secure our wig. Adding some Got to Be blasting spray for that extra hold. I've been doing this in my last install, and I really love how it held up, and so I'm just repeating that process. Then we're going to go ahead and tie that down to set that glue into place, and then in about 5 to 10 minutes I will be back. All right, so now I'm removing that. Guys, right here I don't even know what to say. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lace. That's the first thing I did, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to prep my hairline. So after I remove the lace, I'm gonna go in with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna clean up that area. Once the area is clean, I'm gonna go back in with my foundation shade, and I'm just gonna touch up the edges of the lace just to ensure that the lace is blending as seamlessly as possible with the makeup that is on my face. Then I'm gonna head to make my parts a little deeper using my wax stick. I'm just holding down the hair to get that silky, smooth, straightened part that I am desiring. And you just play around with this. I went in with my foundation again to give my part that realistic look, and now I'm just removing my baby hair. I am gonna go in and pluck this a little more, even though I didn't need to, but I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts in the end about, I don't want to mention it now because I did mention it in the end, what I liked and what I didn't like about this unit. So I'm just going in to make my baby hairs. I'm definitely playing around with this because when I first did my baby hairs, I didn't like them, and so I had to go in and redo them. So this is just me cutting my baby hairs off, and I'm going in with my flat iron just to flat iron that section to get my baby hairs laid. Of course, I'm using my mousse. You can use whatever you choose to use. You can use mousse, or you can use jam, or you can use got2b. It's definitely a personal preference. I like the mousse because it doesn't leave my hair feeling all stiff. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in and tie down my baby hairs again. About 5 to 10 minutes I will be back, and then we will remove it, and then I can explain to you guys what went wrong. All right, so this is me while I wait. I'm spraying the hair with some water in a spray bottle. After it's completely damp, I'm gonna go in with my mousse just to set my curls into place. Of course, I like to go in with a little extra mousse than I usually do, just because I like it that way, I want my curls to be soft and popping. And when you add water with the mousse, it really does leave the hair feeling nice and soft. Now look at that. Look how slick that hair is looking. Talk to me in the comment section. Look how slick that part is looking and how realistic that part is looking. All right, so now I'm gonna go in to remove. Guys, look at this mess. I did not like this. The wig was way too high on my head. Even after I changed the baby hairs, I didn't like it. So I literally took the hair off my head and then I placed it back on my head, and voila, look at the difference. Look how natural that looks.
Okay guys, so I'm glad that you guys watched my very short install. Very, very beginner friendly. I would like to know your guys' thoughts down below. What are your thoughts on the unit? Do you like how it looks? Personally speaking, for a closure, it's not bad. I was really excited when I saw that it was pre-plucked, but this is what I didn't like about it, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So if you notice here, there's a like space in between where the hairline is and where the baby hairs are. I get that they were trying to pluck it to give it that human-like growing from your scalp illusion, but it was a fail for me. I didn't like the amount of hair that they removed from this section of the closure. I think that they kind of over plucked the unit, and so that's something that you can consider when you're purchasing this. Besides that, the unit is very soft to touch. It's very it's great. I love the texture of it, and when I was actually detangling this, it was very easy to detangle. I had no issues. So yeah, besides that, that little mishap, the unit it's worthwhile. You can get it. I would definitely be wearing this, you know, out. So if you wanna twin with me, then you should definitely get yourself one of this unit. All right, so as per usual, guys, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for your continued love and support. I look forward to seeing you guys in 2022. Hope you guys have a successful, positive remainder year and a bright and accomplished 2022. You know, we just want to grow together, be here together. I am on my way to 2K subscribers. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys continued love and support. So thank you to you guys. You are awesome, and thank you for being here and supporting me on each and every video. Thank you for being here and supporting me on each and every video. I really, truly, from the bottom of my heart, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so stay safe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.